Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Welcome back to the last episode in the Happy Holiday series. Can you guys believe that it's already Christmas Eve? I feel like it has been just like a whirlwind of a December. Like I uploaded these 5 videos and I thought that they would not take up much of my time, but like I felt like I had more time to do things. But I mean, here we are. If you celebrate Christmas, I hope that you have the merriest Christmas with your family and loved ones this year. I am just hanging out at home. Usually everybody comes to my house for Christmas, and that is how it's pretty much always been my entire life. So let me know what you guys do for Christmas, if you guys go to family's house, if you just kind of hang out, and also what day do you celebrate Christmas? Christmas Day is definitely more of like the Christmas in my house, but we do like have a nice dinner on Christmas Eve, and like we're doing like most of the cooking and everything on Christmas Eve, but like we don't open gifts on Christmas Eve, we open gifts on Christmas morning, Christmas Day morning. So definitely let me know what you guys do, because I love to hear about different traditions. Do you get like pajamas? Do you have like certain things that you do before you go to bed, like watch a movie or something like that? I think my family and I might go out and look at Christmas lights tonight, which is really fun. So yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this series. If you did, definitely let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel down below if you're not already. And for today's video, I have what I giving for Christmas, not what I got for Christmas, because I love to give gifts. It is one of my favorite things. I love just surprising people with new things and things that they wanted, or like, you know, just honestly even mentioned in passing that they wanted, and like the look on their face knowing that like I remembered that they wanted something. It's like my favorite thing ever. So yeah, I am telling you right now, if any member of my family is watching this video, click out right now, okay? Because I don't think any of them will watch it. Maybe my sister would watch it, but because she's a little sneak, but I know my parents are watching. So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys what I got from my family. I'm not going to show you guys what I got from my friends, because my friends will definitely watch this video to find out what I got for them. So I'm just going to show my family, because my family will get their gifts tomorrow. Some of my friends I won't see until later in the week, and I know that they will watch this video. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got from my family, and yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Also, if you guys are wondering how I got my hair this way, I just uploaded a video on my channel in this series on how I do my braid out routine. This is a braid out. I will link that down below for you guys in case you were wondering. So first things first, let me show you guys what I got from my dad. Actually, no, let me show you what I got from my mom, because she's probably going to be listening, so I have to be a little quiet. She's wrapping gifts right now and like on the other side of the house, so I don't think she can hear me, but her door is closed, so I'm trying to do it while she's like, you know, not around. So for my mom, I got this mug. My mom is obsessed with tea, so I got her this mug. It says Dwell in Hope, and it says the Psalm 16:19, and this is like a perfect size mug for her. I'm trying to be quiet because I know that she's listening. And then in this in the center it has a saying, and it says God is within her, she will not fall. And my mom is a very Christian lady, so she will appreciate this very much. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It was only $4, and I know that mugs are something that she uses every single day. I like to get my friends and family things that I know they'll use and like appreciate. I don't like to like get like little like not stupid things, but like little frilly things, but things that I know they'll use, and when they use it, I know that they'll think of me. So I got her this, and this was so inexpensive, and she uses a mug at least a few times a day. Like she sometimes uses the same mug, but sometimes she has like just hot water, and then sometimes she just has tea. So this is perfect for her. So that's all I got for her at TJ Maxx. What else did I get for her? Oh, I have stuff downstairs. Okay, this stuff is in the car. I don't have it to show you because I'm trying to hide it from her, because it's pretty big, and because this is my mother's house, she knows like every inch of the house. So It's very hard to hide things from my mom because she knows everything. But I got her this Lennox crystal ornament. She really wanted a 2018 ornament. She loves Lennox, which is like, they have like china, like fine china, and like really nice stuff. So I got her that, and then I got her a set of like bowls, and then my sister got her the matching teapot to the bowls. So that's what we got her. That's like the big thing that we got her, because she really wanted that, and like that was like the one thing that she mentioned that she like really wanted. So I got her that as well. That's actually in my car. It's been in my car for like 5 days, but and then I also got her these two things. She tried this the other day for me, and she really liked it. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Primer. I hope you guys will be able to hear me. Excuse me, but it is it just primes your lashes before you put on mascara, and it just makes your eyelashes really pop. My mom doesn't wear like false lashes or anything, so she loves stuff like this, and she tried mine the other day and she absolutely loved it. And my mom is someone who will take mine and use it and then just say like, oh, I really like that, and then keep using it and not ask me to get her one. So I got her one. Along those lines is also this concealer. She tried this concealer out. I told her to try it because this is my favorite concealer. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. This is a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape. I absolutely love this. It's like $9, I think $7 or $9, and it's amazing. And she tried it out and she loved it. She was saying how much she liked it. So I went ahead and picked that up for her from Ulta because she didn't know what shade she was. So I was like, let me just go get it for her. So yeah, I think that's all I got. Yeah, that's all I got from my mom. We also got her like a gift card to get her nails done because she likes to get her nails done, and some other things, but that's all that I got for her. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with my sister. My sister's downstairs, so I know I can talk loud with in terms of her. So I first got her, my sister's really into fitness. If you guys don't know, she has her own Instagram where she posts like workouts and stuff, so I'll have that listed down below for you guys so that you can watch it. You can go watch her videos and everything like that. So so I'm more of like the makeup sister in the family, so I got her this Morphe Artistry palette. Just looks like this. I really love Morphe eyeshadows, and she really likes them as well, and she wears a lot more eyeshadow than I do. On the regular, I really don't wear eyeshadow, but she does, and these have like a lot of fun colors, and she loves like fun colors for her eyeshadow. I'm much more of a basic gal, but she does like really nice colors on her eyes. So it has shimmers, mattes, and everything like that. So I just picked this up from Ulta for her, and I love Morphe eyeshadows, and I know that she will absolutely love that as well. And then I also picked up this this pair of workout pants for her because, like I said, she works out a lot. So these are by RBX. I picked these up from TJ Maxx, and she always wears like really nice colored outfits, and I'm sure she has a sports bra to match this one. So these are just full-length leggings, and they feel really soft, and they feel like they'll be really warm as well. So I just picked those up for her from TJ Maxx, and I know that she's going to love those and use them because she works out literally every day. She's a personal trainer, so literally she lives in workout clothes, so I decided to get that for her. And she also mentioned that she needed a new wallet, so I went ahead and got this one for her. This is almost like exactly like the one that she has now, but it's just a little bit nicer. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. It just has like the little card slots where you can put your cards, and then in the back, my sister's a cash person, so she always has a lot of like cash and change. So this has a little coin purse so you can put your change and your cash. It has a lot of slots for the cash and everything like that, so I know that she's going to put this to good use. And like I said, I like to get people things that I know that they will use and actually, you know, it will help them into their day-to-day lives. So I hope that she enjoys those. So moving on, let's go to my dad. I got my dad, actually this was just delivered today, which is so funny. I got this off of Amazon. This is his favorite shaving gel. It's called King of Shaves. So this is what that looks like. I got him this last year too, but like he uses it because he shaves, you know, like a lot. So this is just what it looks like. It's called King of Shaves Gel. This is it's for sensitive skin. It's an alpha gel, protects and moisturizes. And he always asks me to like buy him like the 3-pack of it. So they didn't have the 3-pack on Amazon anymore. So I decided to just pick this up for him because he loves that. My dad's, you know, has a mustache. And then I also got him this sweater from Izod. And my dad really likes Izod stuff. He's my dad's a golfer. He loves to golf. So like sporty like stuff like zip ups like this he wears like in the fall and winter time. So I know that he's gonna wear this a lot, and I'm really excited to give it to him. And he wears navy blue and like black a lot, so I know he's gonna enjoy that, and I'm really excited to give it to him. So I actually picked this up at Kohl's. There is an Izod at the outlet mall by me, but I was not trying to go to the outlet mall because that sounds like a whole lot of nope from me. So that's what I got for my dad. And then actually I'll show you what I got for my puppy, my dog. I'm obsessed with him. I love him so much. I got him some balls. He loves to play with like when I throw it and he runs and go catch the ball. So I picked these up from TJ Maxx, so they were only $3, and I know that he will absolutely love me throwing these back and forth so he can get a little bit of exercise. And then I also got him a new seat cover for my car because he loves, my dog is obsessed with riding in the car. Honestly, he loves to ride in the car. Like if you say car, his ears like perk up and he's like ready to go. He doesn't even care where he's going. He could even be going to the vet, but as long as he gets to ride in the car, he's fine. So this is like a hammock seat cover. So it will just make it so that he's secure back there, and I always have a seatbelt for him so that he doesn't like go flying or anywhere, because sometimes we do go like on long distance drives, like an hour and a half sometimes, and this is like a really nice like protective cover for the seat and for his paws. So it's really nice. It's water resistant, so when we come in from the snow, from the park, he loves to go walking around the park as well. So this is really great for him, and I know he's gonna love it because he loves to go for rides in the car. So I just picked this up from TJ Maxx. I don't think it was that, yeah, it was only $12.99, and the ones that I was looking at on Amazon were like $25, and I was like, no thanks, no thank you. And then I also got him his favorite bone. This is his absolutely favorite bone. This is called the Hearts Chew and Clean Tough Bone Durable Scented Chew Toy. I also got him a little Fa La La chew toy that is downstairs. It has like a little tug of war kind of a thing. It's a little Christmas tree. It's so cute. I got it from Five Below. But this is his favorite toy. He doesn't really like stuffed toys because he takes the stuffing out of them. He literally will rip a stuffing toy apart. So I can only get him like hard chew toys, and he loves these. These keep him occupied. They strengthen his jaws, and he is literally, if I grabbed this right now and gave it to him, I would not see him for like 2 hours because he loves these toys. So yeah guys, that is everything that I got my family for Christmas. My family didn't really want anything big this year, so it was really nice. I got to get them like little things that I knew that they would appreciate and like. So yeah, let me know what you got your family for Christmas, if you celebrate, if you guys do gifts. I know a lot of families don't do gifts, which is totally awesome as well. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for joining me on this series. Happy holiday. If you guys would like me to do more series, definitely let me know. What would you like to see from me in the new year? I definitely want to start doing like more what I eat in the days, and I also want to start vlogging more. I'm thinking about vlogging a little trip that I'm going on soon. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this series, and thank you guys so much for keeping up with me. And yeah, I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Mwah. Merry Christmas.